So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you, so from the last two drawings I just did, I'm going to show you how I'm going to get, so this is what I got from my experiment, right, my little drawing. This is not 100% accurate, or is it? We're going to find out. So what we're doing now is I'm going to find out, I have all these variables here, I just wrote it down so I could have more room for you guys to see. So I'm trying to find out what this is what I should have gotten here, my actual or accepted. This is what I got from my experimental. Let's figure out what I should have got. So now I have all the information I needed, but now I'm solving for my DI because my drawing may not be 100% accurate. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to plug. I've identified my variables. I'm looking for this right here. I'm just going to plug and chug. 1 divided by 1.5 equals 1 divided by 8.05 plus 1 over DI. Like I said, guys, I don't like fractions like that, so I'm just going to divide them out to get rid of them. So 1 divided by 1.5 equals, unfortunately, 0.6666. All right, that equals 1 divided by 8.05. That equals 0.12422. I'm going further to the right than I normally make you guys do because these are tiny, tiny numbers. These are super tiny numbers. Plus 1 over DI. So I want to get DI by itself. First thing you do is get rid of this, move this over here. Since these are added together, I have to subtract. Subtract 1.12422. What I do on one side, mathematics, I have to do on the other. Where a lot of students mess up, because we rarely have to subtract in physics, we mostly divide. They divide this automatically. Make sure these are added. We have to do the opposite of that, which subtract. So 0.6666 minus 0.1242. That's going to equal 0.5424. That equals 1 over DI. Now, here's the shortcut. I want to get DI by itself. I can just move this with 1 divided by this number here. That's the shortcut. 1 divided by 0.5424 equals DI. That's the shortcut. If you just want to memorize that, you can, but here's how it actually works algebraically. So I want to get DI by itself. I multiply by DI on this side. I multiply DI on this side. These cancel. That gives me DI times 0.5424 equals 1. So I want to get this by itself. I divide, and what do you know? I get the exact same thing that I showed you with the shortcut. So if you forget it, just make sure your algebra skills are good, and you will be fine. So let's go ahead and simplify that and see what I should have got. 1 divided by 0.5424. 1.84. So my DI actual is 1.84 centimeters. That's pretty close. 1.9, 1.84 centimeters. So that's how you calculate your actual. The next video, short video, will show you how to do your percent error. Pretty easy.